We include a squeegee for every kit that requires one. The squeegee has two sides, the side with the black felt and the plastic hard side. Hold the squeegee correctly by positioning your four fingers right under the black felt. The felt side is what you will be using when squeegeeing the colored wraps. The plastic hard side is useful when tucking in the edges. When squeegeeing the surface, always squeegee with an open face. This makes sure that you can see the material before going over it if you see that it is creasing. When tucking in the edges, it's best to use your fingers first to make sure the edges are anchored before tucking it in with your squeegee. When there are small bubbles, you can use your fingers to slowly push the bubbles out. Be careful not to hastily run over the bubbles using your squeegee.